Right, so the sports chat is about to sign out, but we can't sign out without speaking to the fans. And I'm joined by one of the energetic fans we've seen here today at Tafeni. How excitement all around. How does this win make you feel?
Sanibonani emakhaya ngathi uzochaza kanjani ebhathi wami man besifisa kuba nekhaphu njengoba usibona sinalo namhlanje mina as a supporter today ngi-experience into ezibhaya ngiyabonga Easter yaseThafeni kakhulu ngithanda ukubonga nama opponent besidlala nawo bekuyigame emnandi yonke into ihambe kahle experience ngi-experience namhlanje ukhwela iscooter ayibona ngijabulile yonke into like right ngijabulele bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu angazi ukuthi ngithini but ngiphuma enhlizweni yami ngiyabonga for i-tournament lena i-tournament run smooth everything was fine I'm happy on the tournament.
Ungacabanga ukuthi le game ingazifika kuma penalty
ubuya eqinisweni mina benga-expectanga ama-penalty bengi-expect ukuthi iwela mlambo sizoyidla egamini but ngibe surprise mase sifika kuma-penalty no kusho khona ukuthi kumele siphule up ama-socks but otherwise bekuyi-great game.
There was a moment where the opposition team welamlabo bebangasafuna ukukhaba ipenalty sebaforced to play ukuthi likhabe. Iyenzeka kanjani into enjani?
I-pressure Grootman, i-pressure like understand ngidlalile ibhola bebuya now uyalazi you understand kunale moment time ukuthi hayi manje yathini ziyakhala manje ziyakhala obviously sibheke wena state ukumista wena melo shaya so ne pressure sharp so nabo angiba blame i-pressure like i-game the way bengakhona
maye masuka la so celebrate
siyakwanopi bafethu emangweni the square kwanopi like nonke sanibiza mina ongangazi ngumaviyo kawo yimlo bafethu i-team yasemangweni leni iphupani African phupani besithanda ukubonga ngakho konke okwenzakalile namhlanje eThafeni big up guys ngicela niqhubekeni nesipanisene esihle umsebenzi wenu bekukuhle nize nangikhweza nescooter thank you.
I think that was the greatest moment to give any scooter. Let's all cheer for now. And obviously the sports chat was in the mix of things here at Tafeni. Signing out.